In this video we are removing the rear wheel from the BMW S1000R. In my case I'm removing it because I had a puncture, and we will be covering the tools and the process to remove the wheel and refit it later. From a tool perspective, you will be needing a paddock stand, some wooden blocks that are matching the height of your tire. Once the wheel is removed, we need to make sure that this doesn't drop and damages other stuff. We are also needing a 10mm spanner, 13, a 34mm socket, a measuring device, a rubber mallet. If you don't have a rubber mallet, take a normal one and a piece of wood, and you will be using it to move this pin in case it doesn't want to cooperate. And that being said, we start doing the work. With the bike properly lifted on the paddock stand, we start by undoing these locking nuts on both sides. Here is where we are using the 13mm spanner. Grab some rough estimates of where our slider is, so that when we will be refitting the wheel, it will be easier for us to start aligning our wheel assembly. 10mm spanner. We are undoing this bolt. With the 34mm socket, we are undoing the main nut from the rear wheel. Time to take out the center bolt. When we are doing this, we make sure that on the lower bit our wheel is properly supported. I'm using these wooden blocks so that the wheel doesn't drop. At the same time I'm pushing it, or I should have been pushing it earlier, and placing the chain to one of the sides. Small change of plan to make sure that the chain is able to sit comfortably, and for us to have enough room, I'm removing this plastic trim, and after that proceeding in placing a microfiber over here so that the chain can rest on something and not scratch our metal elements. We place some microfiber to the side, such a way that the chain doesn't rub on the metal elements. By the looks of it, it has some grease on top of it. It's trickier than it seems. And this is how you remove the rear wheel from the S1000R.